Welcome back to Muscle Car Concepts. Today, that's a Snap-on truck, and we're a custom restoration shop, so 2 and 2 go together like fire and water. Fire and water don't go together.
We'll see you on the truck. You said this is new?
Yeah, this is a different one. Colors are interesting.
Right.
Skinny.
Blue and say the
Like a goldish.
blue and gold.
Those are some big picks.
Oh jeez.
Hey Kennen, throw me one of those hats.
Look at that.
Those are nice, Tucker.
They'll keep you warm on a cold day. Good week. Merry Christmas.
What'd you say?
You mind?
Who doesn't come to your house?
Santa Claus.
He's not a Santa believer.
Well, you can learn that real quick.
Todd, if you had to buy one thing off here for your Santa present, what would it be?
That's pretty difficult. I don't need another toolbox. Might have to be some more of these battery operated tool stuff. There's lots of stuff on here you could buy, but just give me the center lines.
All of this?
All the ratchets. I'll sound you. You knock yourself out.
Alright, with a ratchet.
I hope not.
What you got here?
Yeah, what's in that?
It's some raffle tickets for our Christmas stuff.
Look at that. The little mini Snap-on truck. That's nice. I like that. Oh, you have the Snap-on hat on.
I got it last week, I think. Quite comfy.
Kennen, if you had to buy yourself a Santa present, what would it be? What one item would you pick?
One of the scan tools.
Which is...
Probably.
Oh, okay. Kind of look like Game Boy systems.
About 10 times the price.
Oh, for sure.
How much is one of these diagnostic scans?
$5-ish. $5 grand, I think.
And that doesn't even include the yearly subscription either.
Not bloody gonna do it.
That's why it's Kennen's Santa present.
Yeah, Santa's buying it for me.
And next year we can just keep buying the subscription too.
Yeah.
It's the gift that keeps on giving.
Clark, that's the gift that keeps on giving the whole year.
Here, you want this? Take it home and wash your Bronco. Power washer.
Another one?
Oh, okay. We could just wash it right here in the parking lot. Denver does indeed need a
Not yet.
good wash. Here you go, Todd. We can get one of these for the shop.
No, I was thinking John for his son. He'd be in his room, and then when he's crawling around on the floor, I bought my
It's
nephew, when he was born, I bought him one of those little red and orange, yellow little tight.
all the little tykes.
I bought him one of those, and he was just a year old.
See those little cars? They do good. I had the Barbie Jeep. Look at this.
There ain't much to it.
You gonna ride it around the shop, Todd?
Yep.
That's what I told him. I was like, is this a shop toy?
I don't know if I trust that.
Is that all you have for steering, or is it missing something?
I feel like it's missing a steering wheel.
Oh.
What's the switch for?
It's got headlights, man.
Oh, wow.
Oh, Todd, that's high tech. You could always get him the train set. Dude, you have all the Christmas gifts on the truck today. The Snappy Express. Wait, I love that. That's funny.
What up, Muscle Car fans? We're back at it on another Snap-on truck video. Today, can I rent this out? Or pimp it out? Ooh.
Oh, there's the steering wheel.
Dude, take your ankles out. Merry Christmas.
It's got Google Maps.
Push it with your legs.
Where?
I mean, that would be cool.
Drive them around?
Power wheels.
Yeah, I thought it was a Power Wheels.
You got a train set?
Right there, the Snappy Express.
How much even
Alrighty.
is the Snappy Express?
Yeah.
360.
It comes with the train tracks?
I would hope so.
Now you gotta wait till next year.
It says something about an easy track system.
So this year we just shipped the cardboard box. Next year we'll talk about the tracks.
You have to build it piece by piece.
Yeah, it's loyalty program. Next year it's half off. What are all these color?
Next year,
Like magnetic rails or magnetic rails for like sockets. Got that. Socket things. Son of a bitch.
You definitely just earned a fan with that one.
There we go. And you can put your sockets on there.
Prove it or I don't believe it.
Oh, look at that.
Guys, just like, what is it? Dairy Queen, upside down. If it's upside down,
The
it's able to be
blizzards.
served. There you are. Ready? Now, a deep impact socket. Like, what's the weight limit on this bad boy? Todd, hang from this real quick. Oh, wow.
Just go with the big dog.
I don't know
Oh
how shaky
my
I
God,
get with
Kennen.
it. It will hold quite a bit.
See if it'll hold that.
Have it fall off the shelf.
Wait,
It's
but
not
if you flip
stuck
it,
very good.
DQ special?
That's the Blizzard Cup.
That's why they do it at Dairy.
Oh, that's heavy.
You saw it here, folks. That's a good quality item.
One of many.
Alrighty, Gage, I'm gonna ask you because I asked the rest of them. We were talking earlier on the truck about Santa. If you could pick
He
one
is
item.
real. I talked to him. He is real.
Oh, we were saying if you could pick one item on the truck for Santa to get you, what would it be?
What's Santa's budget?
Unlimited.
This Snap-on toolbox. Look at the colors. Look at the theme. If someone buys this from me or out from under me, I will find you. We'll have to be really good friends until you sell it, and then I will forever remind you that you sold it to me. It's a nice toolbox. He said it's about $7 grand, so Santa, you could either get me this toolbox or about 10 grand. So I get the toolbox and help start filling it with tools. And then if you're a wealthy business person and your name happens to be Santa and you want to like sponsor this, it'd be a tax write-off as a gift, you know? So if you want to reduce how much you're spending on taxes this year,
Hook them up.
hook me up.
Send the elves to get it. Sponsor Gage's Snap-on Blue Tool.
Blue tool.
Toolbox.
Do you park this at, do you just take this home at night?
They got a.
We
It parks inside.
at the warehouse. Don't some of you guys drive them home, I thought? Like to their personal house.
Tucker was very nice to give me a Snap-on hat for free. Thank you.
You're welcome.
This is very warm. I like this. And as you can see, Kennen is actually modeling the hat right now.
I am.
What's this?
It's a bag.
The bag.
Who would have guessed?
Kind of cool though. It's a little beat up.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's broken.
Yeah, that one's.
Oh, Noel can fix it up for us.
It's like the ultimate travel bag.
Zipper's gone.
Mm-hmm.
If they fall, you guys can see them.
Well, it's that. And you get different colors because you don't have everybody in the shop having all red tools.
Mm-hmm.
And so,
Oh.
well, that's mine. Go, no, it's mine.
So everyone pick a color. Kennen, what's your color?
I like power blue. I don't think there is any power blue on here right now.
Oh, there's some over here. What's this?
No. Power
Oh.
blue is a different blue and it's got like flake in the plastic and like sparkly. I have some in my toolbox I can show you. Oh, yeah, here we are.
Oh.
That's power blue. It's got like silver.
That's saving you some money.
Yeah.
Oh, good, you did get the hair hammer.
So if you guys remember, I got this on the Snap-on truck like 2 weeks ago. Well, for some reason there was an issue. It did not work within the first 24 hours. Not Snap-on's fault, just sometimes product issues is what it is. But why we emphasize our experience here on the Snap-on truck is all I have to do is walk up to Tucker, say, hey, I have an issue. He goes, takes that, hands me a new one, and it's just that easy. So yes, last week, actually Tucker gave me a red one, and I wasn't here. I came back from lunch, brand new red one sitting on my desk, and I was just like, oh, he handled it. I didn't even know. Someone must have told him that I needed a new one. Didn't even ask for this one back yet. Gave it to me up front. I'm gonna return this. That's why we use Tucker on the Snap-on truck. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
What are your thoughts on the truck?
I wish this pulled into where I worked, man. This is this is kind of like Christmas on wheels. I really like it.
We were asking today if you could buy or have one item off the truck from Santa. What would it be?
Okay, that'd be a set of ratchet box ends, the crescent box enders with the that have the ratchet.
Rotating on?
Yeah, I found a set of those out at Husker Harvest Days in their little tool tent, you know, and they wanted
Snap-on tent?
No, it wasn't Snap-on. It was mostly just, you know, knockoff garbage, but they want $180 for that set. I was like, I don't know where these are made. I don't know. So, but you know, you're getting quality here.
I've heard of the word, but I didn't know it was related to that.
Yeah.
Is that its original name?
No,
Okay.
it's just it doesn't even make any sense. But they just give me the foo bar. You know, that's for usually when they gotta, you know, really put their back into something, and it stands for fucking big ass wrench. Doesn't make sense because a wrench doesn't start with R. But everybody knows what it is when you say a foo bar.
It's almost like it's not taking it.
But I saw the liquid fill up to the top, and then I think it's actually completely full.
Christmas if I don't see you again.
Yeah, Merry Christmas.
Thank
We
you,
see next
Tucker.
week,
You're
right?
welcome.
If you guys want to see DJ bust open this puppy, call her. I'm joking. Comment below what you liked on this truck or this experience. Megan got a free hat.
That's nice. Ta-da! This is a very nice hat. Shouts out to Snap-on. Shouts out to Tucker. This is always the best part of our Wednesdays. Subscribe.
All right, you guys remember that ice video I did where I slid on the ice to say subscribe? We're gonna do it one more time. You ready? On rocks. I'm joking. Come in. Everyone huddle around. We got something to talk about. Can they see me? Okay. Go tell someone you love them, and then right after that, share this video with them. Take care. Merry Christmas.